Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, you will learn how to remove your iPhone unavailable problem. Guys, if you have forgotten your phone password and your phone is stuck on iPhone unavailable by repeatedly entering wrong password, then don't worry. I will tell you how to solve this problem. Before starting the video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more informative videos. Now let's start the video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, to solve this problem, you have to need another phone. It can be iPhone or Android phone. In my case, I'm using my second Android phone. Simply open your phone browser and type iCloud.com. It will show us a screen like this. Click on sign in. Sign in with Apple ID. Please make sure that you are signed in with the same Apple ID that was logged in on the phone, which password you have forgotten and stuck on iPhone unavailable. So I am using the same Apple ID that was signed in this phone. So here is I am signed in with the same Apple ID that was signed in my this phone that was stuck on iPhone unavailable. So click on menu icon, click on find my. Here are devices that are signed in with the same Apple. Click on your device. It is iPhone. Click on continue. Enter the Apple ID password to erase iPhone. You have to put your password here. So this screen is optional. You do not have put anything in here. Just simply click on next and simply click on done. It is started. In a few seconds, your phone will start erasing. Hold for a few minutes. So here we are, your phone has started erasing. Now you can simply remove from this account. It will help you while set up this phone. Click on remove and enter your Apple ID password. So I have removed from this account. So there is no further need of this phone. Hold for few seconds until your erase completed. Finally, your phone has erased completely. Now let me set up this phone. Simply select your language, select your country or region. Connect to a Wi-Fi network. Please connect your device with a Wi-Fi network. It may take a few minutes to activate your phone. So I will speed up all this process for not wasting your time. Welcome to iPhone. Your phone has completely erased. Your phone has been unlocked. Your phone has released from all locks. Now it is not stuck on iPhone unavailable. your phone has started. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it does, please leave a comment in comment section and like my video. Please, thank you for watching my video.